Imagine pressing the gas pedal, expecting that familiar surge of power, but instead your engine feels flat. Maybe you blow some heavy black smoke, or you hear strange fluttering noises coming from under the hood. If your check engine light is staring back at you with the code P0034, you are dealing with a turbocharger bypass valve control circuit low issue. This sounds like a mouthful, but let's break it down into simple terms so you can figure out what is going on and how to fix it without wasting money. Basically, your car's computer, the PCM, controls a valve designed to release extra boost pressure when you take your foot off the gas. This protects your turbo and engine from damage. The code specifically means the computer is seeing a voltage signal from this valve that is lower than it expects, almost as if the wire is cut or the sensor is dead. When this happens, the computer might disable the turbo to play it safe, leaving you with a sluggish car. This system is crucial because it balances the air pressure required for your engine to perform at its peak. If the boost pressure does not match what the computer wants, you get this code. Most modern cars use an electric motor to move this valve, but some older ones still use vacuum line. Before you start buying parts, pop the hood. You want to look for the obvious stuff first. Check the wiring connected to the turbo bypass valve. Is it burned? Is the connector loose or corroded? If you have a vacuum-operated system, look for cracked or disconnected rubber hoses. These are the most common culprit. The symptoms can range from just an annoying light to fouled spark plugs and higher engine temperatures due to the fuel mixture being off. If you have a digital volt ohm meter, or DVOM, you can get technical. You'll want to disconnect the connector and test for continuity and voltage to see if the signal is actually getting to the valve. Sometimes it is not even the valve itself, but the boost pressure sensor lying to the computer. So do not just swap the valve immediately. Clear the codes with your scanner and see if it comes back. If it resets immediately, you have a hard fault, like a broken wire or a dead solenoid. If it takes a while, it might be an intermittent connection. Fixing this quickly is important because running with incorrect boost pressure can stress your engine components over time.